This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Friday, March 11th. I'm Mikey Doncel. We are down to one final event for the winter sports season, but it's a big one. That's because the boys basketball team won a hard-fought contest over Menchville 39-36 in the Class 5 semifinals. The Commodores advanced to tonight's Class 5 state championship, a game against Highland Springs. Game time is 8 p.m. at VCU Siegel Center. See the Maury homepage for tickets. Now, here's Chris for what's coming up on the schedule.
Thanks, Mikey. Outside of tonight's basketball game, the only team involved in any activity is the baseball team, who will scrimmage against Nasdaq River tonight. Be careful because the rain may interrupt the game. The spring sports season starts Tuesday with a full slate of action. We'll have all the details on Tuesday's show. Back to you, Mikey.
Thanks, Chris. Now, here's what's happening at MHA. You're up to date for Friday, March 11th. I'm Mikey Doncel. Thanks for watching, and go Commodores!